In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A16 and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. First of all, you need to launch clock that's already on your smartphone and tap on alarm at the bottom left corner. Now, before creating new alarms, click on those three dots on the right and hit settings. Now you can adjust those three options under alarm for all of your new ones. Tap on volume and decide if you want to set different one for each alarm or use the same one for all that you can pick here. Click on alarm background and create one for all of your new alarms. Choose background at the top left corner, hit allow all, pick one of those, or what I like to do, select a photo from your gallery and use it as a perfect background. Let's go with this one. Hit done at the top right corner. Now tap on upcoming alarm notification and apply one of those options. When you're ready, go back and create a brand new alarm thanks to this plus. Then set up an hour at the top. Now pick days of the week by clicking on them here and label your alarm however you want to. If you want to disable or enable all of those options, click on the switches next to them. To adjust each one though, you need to click on it on the left. Let's start with alarm sound. Tap on it. Click on Spotify to use it or ringtone. Hit allow all and manage those two switches next to those two features if you wish to. You can tap on one of those melodies to apply it. Or to pick a song from your Samsung, use this plus at the top right corner. Decide if you want to play selected highlights. Click on a song and choose done. Now go back again. Click on vibration to apply one of those patterns or select silent. And choose snooze to decide how many minutes it will take and how many times it will repeat. Go back. Click on alarm background, and if you want to create one only for this alarm, this is a place to do that. Now to save your new alarm, hit save at the bottom right corner. To edit it, click on it, make your changes and hit the same button. Now, if you want to turn it on or switch it off, use this button right next to it. If you want to delete it, hold it and choose delete. And if you wish to, you can always click on any alarm you created. Sorry, it has to be a new one. And choose save here. Then hold it and tap on group or turn off. If you want to select group, that's why I needed to create it more than one. Click on it, name your group and add all of your alarms to it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!